Okay, good afternoon everyone. I welcome you back to my YouTube channel, and presenting before you this story is Hamburg Lehmann. So today we'll be answering this particular question under calculus, and the question is simply asking us to, given that this particular equation, given that y is equal to x sine 3x, prove that d2y dx 2 plus 9y minus 6 cos 3x is equal to 0. So the way to answer this question is very simple. So the first thing that we're going to do is this. Alright. Okay, so we have y equal to x sine 3x. So the first thing, this d2y dx to the power 2, they are simply telling you to differentiate this particular equation twice. So we are going to differentiate it the first time. So dy over dx is equal to, now remember that this x is multiplying everything. Okay, this x is multiplying sine 3x, so we are going to use the product rule. So with the product rule, first of all, we are going to differentiate this particular part. And of course, dy dx of x is 1, so we're going to remain with sine 3x plus, then we let this particular sign remain. This part is going to remain maintained, then we differentiate this part. And of course, dy dx of sine 3x is simply cosine 3x, then we find dy dx of 3x, that is just the chain rule. So this is multiplied by dy dx of 3x is simply 3. Okay, so in other words, what we're simply saying is dy over dx is equal to sine 3x plus x. So this is going to be 3x cosine 3x. Okay, so this is for d1 x1. All right, so having noted that, let me just try to wrap this. Okay, let me try to write this question somewhere here. Okay, so we have our d1 y over dx to be equal to sine 3x plus 3x cosine 3x. Now we're going to find dy dx of this same equation the second time. All right. So we're going to find d2y over dx2. So this is going to be d2y over dx2 is equal to, so what is dy dx of sine 3x? Dy dx of sine 3x is simply cosine 3x multiplied by 3. Okay, then we say plus what is dy dx of this particular part? So we use the product rule. So what is dy dx of 3x? It is just 3 cosine 3x plus, we maintain this particular part, then we find dy dx of this part. So dy dx of that part is simply a negative sine 3x multiplied by 3. That is the chain rule. Okay, so this means that g2y over dx to the power 2 is equal to, this is going to be 3 cosine 3x plus 3 cos 3x minus this 3 multiplied by this 3 is going to give us 9x sine 3x. Okay, so from here we are going to rub everything. Let me just try to rub everything. Okay, and when you reach here, you are almost done. All right, so when we reach here, now they're saying that this particular part, we now add it to this. Okay, so let me try to, okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to say that this particular part is this part, then plus 9y, so this is plus 9, sorry, this is plus 9y, this is plus 9y, so say 9, so y, we know that y is simply this equation here, so this is x sine 3x, then minus 6 cosine 3x, but we know that 3 cosine 3x plus 3 cosine 3x, this altogether is 6 cosine 3x, and we know that this part and this part already is given as 0. This part and this part already is given as 0. So if we add everything, our final answer is going to be 0. Hence, shown. Thank you so much.